Okay, here we go. Finally got my hands on the Workhorse Vacuum. Heard a lot about the Workhorse. You know, I've seen a lot of reviews on it. And in our cleaning space, a good vacuum, especially a canister, is like a godsend. So I wanted to make sure I had a good vacuum for the van. And I got this Workhorse from Wanders Products. You know, I'm gonna put a link to Wanders Products in my description for the product for the vacuum. You see here, you got your release. You got your, you turn it on there, and great looking vacuum here, minimalistic. You know, really minimal. And I turned it on out of the box, plugged it in, turned it on, and it. I mean, look, this is nothing but a small area rug, right? And it was already starting to pull from there. So I'm gonna put up another video in a bit showing how it operates and moves and cleans. Once I get to a job, I'll have another one scheduled on Thursday, and I'll get out there and I'll show you a video of how this thing pulls dry soil. But that's the Workhorse, clear track vacuum. Okay, talk to you.